So good day. So I was scrolling on YouTube and now I've noticed this niche is blowing up, bro. Like this is a new niche. This is a new niche. And you can see this is the fresh niche I started with, and this is a new channel. This channel did 58k views. This channel did 58k views at his first ever videos. Then let's look at some more. Look at this channel. Like it's just a transformation video about building. So now I'm going to teach you guys how to do the same video from scratch without stressing this exact same video. So it's quite simple. I already did mine, so I'm just gonna make an explanation. So first thing I did, I went to okay, sorry, let me explain. So the first thing I did was I had to ChatGPT. I started by creating my prompt. My prompt already created, so I just had to use the prompt. It's quite simple. So I head over to ChatGPT and created it and pasted my first prompt, which was this one. I pasted my first prompt. And ChatGPT gave me a list of ideas to pick from. In this list, I just picked one, and ChatGPT told me to reply with one, from 1 to 15, which I replied with two. I picked idea two. I'm not going to do the explanation why on the video. If not, the video will be long. I'm just going to use my mouth to explain it. Why I show you my workings. So just stay tuned and please be focused, please. So I picked two. After picking two, it gave me a image prompt for two, for idea two, right? Now this is the image prompt from here. Is image one, image two, and image three. You can ask for more image, but I'm good with this. So I just so what I did here was I just copied the first image prompt, copy the first image prompt from here, then head over to Chrome browser and then paste it. Paste my first image prompt. Go to setting and share. Since I'm focused on short, since this niche is a short niche, I just put the shape at portrait. That is the aspect ratio of the video. I put it at portrait 9.16 and I click on generate. Now look close. The image first to generate the first image for me. Hold on now. To generate the first image for me, and now this is the image generate first for me. The image is good, so you can just choose to download it. So what you will do next is to download this first image. Download the first image. Once you are done downloading the first image, you head over to now. After generating the first image, I'll go to Google Gemini and then click on upload. Click on photos, then upload the first one, the first image. After uploading this first image here, what I did next is head over to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, the second image prompt, which is this one. Copy it. Go back to Google Gemini and paste this prompt. Paste the second prompt using the first image. The reason I downloaded this first image from a different source because Google Gemini find it hard to follow the type of aspect ratio, but just follow what I'm doing so you don't get confused, also you don't miss road. So Google Gemini will give you another image. Okay, good. Now we can see this is Google Gemini. This is what Google Gemini give us, which is likely close to what we want. Close to what we want. So I will just save this one for instance. After saving it, I will upload these two images and add the third prompt. Now watch closing. I'll upload these two images, one and two. Upload it. Head over to ChatGPT and add the third prompt. Add the third prompt. Then you can see the step by step, right? You can see the step by step. So what you want to do here now is to save this first image that we download, then the second image, then the third image. This is our final image. Now we're gonna turn everything into video, which is quite simple. And for you to do that, you head over to the okay. Now for you to start animating the video, you need to first of all head over to this to your notebook and copy the second prompt. which is the video animation prompt for each of our image we have already created. You just need to go head over to ChatGPT where where you have been doing all the stuff before, and paste the prompt there, and to give you prompt this image prompt again, as in image to video prompt. That is the transition prompt that we use. So you can see set image 1 and image 2 for this prompt, image 2 and image 3. And remember, we created 3 images, right? And those 3 images are this one in Gemini AI 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to be animating these images. You want to head over to a Google Chrome, and once I Google Chrome, you search for the Flow website, which is this one I'm in right now. Once you are in the Flow website, next thing you want to do is to click on this place that says text to video. So make sure you select frames to video, and then at this down side you will see 2 plus icon at the down side. You want to click on the plus icon and import the first image. I already did mine. Sorry, I don't know. I forgot. I was not screen recording. So import the first image and import the second image that you created earlier. Then you paste. Then you paste the prompt, the first prompt that ChatGPT gave you. You paste the first prompt here. Once done, you send it to ChatGPT. Then it will animate it. It will animate it for you, which is this was mine. Mine. It did down. But it will animate it for you. Once it animates, save. Once it animates it, save it to your phone. Next thing to do is to click on this plus icon again. Then put the image 2 and the image 3, which is this. If you go to Google Gemini, head over to Google Gemini now. This is image 1 and image 2. You animate this image 1 and image 2. Once you animate these 2, you animate image 2 again plus image 3. You update it to the Flow browser and paste this prompt, this second transition prompt. Make sure you paste the second transition prompt, which is this one. Then if you animate it, then once you are done, it's just time for you to add it two together. You already created a video. Okay, now this is mine. I added my first clip and this is my second clip. Look at it. After animating them, this was the result. So I just added the two together on CapCut, and you can do the same for yours, and just save it, and you can go and start posting. Just make sure you do yours very well and you edit it together, and you understand. Just you can with time you keep on. Now this niche is new, and you can just keep on doing it every day and posting. So but the thing is, the Flow website is not free. It's not free, but I think they give 100 credits like monthly. I don't know how it works, but they give 100 credits, and you can subscribe to the Flow website if you want to start. So this niche is doing very well on YouTube and it's going viral, so you can try it out.